Welcome to another video of Ekcel Academy. In this session, we will be looking at the tax rates applicable for individuals. So now, in case of individuals, it has been classified into three different categories. Individuals who are below the age of 60 years. And along with individuals who are below the age of 60 years, HUF, that is Hindu Undivided Family, AOP and BOA, that is Association of Persons and Body of Individuals, and Artificial Juridical Person, they are also classified or clubbed under this category. So what is the tax rate which is applicable for these category of assessees? That is individuals below 60 years, then HUF, AOP, BOI and any artificial juridical person. So in this case, let us look at the total income and the rate of tax. If your total income is up to 2,50,000, then the rate of tax would be nil. That means you haven't crossed the basic exemption limit. So basic exemption limit is 2,50,000. That means if your income does not exceed 2,50,000, then you need not have to pay any tax. But if your income is between 2,50,000 and rupees 5 lakh, then for that income you need to pay a tax at the rate of 5%. Then comes 5 lakh to 10 lakhs. In that case, the tax rate applicable would be 20%. And lastly, if your income exceeds 10 lakh rupees, then the tax rate which is applicable would be 30%. This is nothing but slab rate for individuals and other category of assessees. Let us take one example. Let's assume someone is getting a salary of rupees 11 lakh. That means what? That person is falling under all the three categories. He has income from 0 to 250. Then 250 to 5, 5 to 10 and above 10. For us only these three matters, that is these three categories. So let us look at the tax rate which is applicable to this person. So now for 0 to 250 we will not calculate any tax for this person. So he wouldn't be paying any tax, it will be 0. Then from 250 to 5, what is the income which he is having? So he has already income of 11 lakhs. That means in this category he has full income. So therefore what is the difference between 5 lakh and 2,50,000? 2,50,000 itself. On this 2,50,000 we will be calculating tax rate of 5%, which is nothing but 12,500. So now what is his income? 11 lakhs. That means he has full income in the second slab as well, that is 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs. What is the difference between 10 lakhs and 5 lakhs? Again it would be 5 lakhs. And on that 5 lakhs we will be calculating 20%, which is nothing but 1 lakh. Now beyond 10 lakhs, what is his income? Any income which exceeds 10 lakhs will be taxed at the rate of 30%. So in that case, what is his income? 11 lakh minus the lower limit, that is 10 lakhs, will be 1 lakh. On this 1 lakh we will be calculating a tax rate of 30%, which is nothing but 30,000. So now what is the total tax payable by this particular assessee who has an income of 11 lakhs? It will be 12,500 for the first slab, that is 250 to 5, excluding the basic exemption limit. Then it will be 1 lakh on the second slab, that is 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs. And on the last slab, that is income exceeding 10 lakhs, he has only 1 lakh income which is in excess of 10 lakhs. Therefore he would be paying only 30% on that, which comes to 30,000. So the income payable by this particular assessee would be 1,42,500 excluding the cess. So if you add cess of 3%, in that case it will be 142,500 into 3%, which is 4,275. So totally he will be required to pay 1,46,775 rupees as tax. So now the tax payable is 1,46,775, which will be of course rounded off to 1,46,780 as per section 288B, which says any tax paid or any tax liability rather shall be rounded off to nearest multiple of rupee 10. So in this case to the nearest multiple of rupee 10, which is 780 rupees. In the next video we will learn how to calculate tax liability of a senior citizen and a super senior citizen, that is someone aged above 80 years.